Having the right morning routine will get you energized and organized for the day. And if you have a busy day ahead, well, there are some extra things you can do to help you crush it. In this vlog, I'm going to share you those 10 minutes that you can spend to make the day worth it. How you start each morning has a huge impact, positively or negatively, on the rest of your day. By practicing a healthy morning routine, you can increase your productivity, decrease stress, boost happiness, and more. People who have so many responsibilities, taking care of kids, pets, and have their morning chores like they need to make breakfast, lunch, and on and on. While you shouldn't shrink your responsibility, you will be better prepared to handle everything on your plate each morning if you start a healthy self care routine. Here are some healthy morning habits as well as tips and tricks for creating a routine that sticks and what to do when you falter. First thing is set your alarm to work for you, not against you. Never snooze your alarm if you have fixed that you have to wake up. So it is based on how you make your sleep the before night. Do not adjust your bedtime. You need to make a better time to sleep. So it's better to go early to sleep and wake up early. So that's the best remedy you can do it when you start your day. Breathe the new day. Drink more water before coffee. We all prefer, or we can see many people just grab the coffee when they wake up. Drink water before coffee or tea. Because we lose water throughout our breath and sweat while we sleep. We usually wake up thirsty. Considering the adult human body is comprised of up to 60% water, hydration is essential for good health. Drink water first thing in the morning will not only help rehydrate you but also jumpstart your metabolism, boosting it by up to 30% according to research. Second thing is move your body in all directions. You need to stretch your body. Rather than only just a quick stretch in bed, then doing about the day, just do some side bend and set your body right to get prepared for the daily activity. Make a time to do exercise. Maybe you can't fit in a full workout in the morning. That's okay. You can sneak in exercise by stacking it onto some of existing morning habits. Set your mind right and prepare it for the daily activity by taking it through all the planes of motion evenly using both sides of our body. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Research shows that the practicing gratitude can decrease pain, enhance empathy, and reduce aggression, which is a great way to start your day. Especially if you have a morning commute in traffic, you can practice gratitude in the morning by waking each day to watch the sunrise and incorporating a gratitude focus in your meditation. Someone has the habit of praying in the morning is the best. What's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? Unfortunately, many people answer this reaching for my phone. If that's you, how many minutes do you spend your each morning scrolling and potentially letting stress build due to what you find on the news, social media, or in your inbox? What if you made a rule that before reaching for your phone, you took a 6 long deep breath to focus your attention on the power and blessing of your own life force? Let the sunshine in, open the curtains, and let your circadian rhythm know it's the time to get the day started. Grab a pen and a paper to write down the things that you're worrying or to to make a list of to-do list for the day. If you're a morning person, try to tackle the most difficult task in the morning. And if you're an owl, that is, you like to do work in the night time, leave those tasks later in the day. Repeat your routine. This is the hardest part. Establishing a routine is not easy. It's understandable if you start out strong but then falter. If you sleep in the morning or forget some new habits, don't be too hard on yourself. But also don't give up. Start again the next morning and try some of the suggestions I have mentioned you in this video and keep track of it. To make it easier for you to accomplish your healthy morning self-care routine, take the steps the day before, that is the night before the lesson you load. Make the things you need to do it with more convenience. Getting up earlier can be one of the biggest challenges to overcome. Maybe you need a more gradual alarm tone to wake you, or you might require a louder, more starting sound. Test your different options on your phone. Figure out what works for you. Are you ready to start a new, healthier morning routine? Tomorrow morning is your opportunity. Life is hectic for all of us, but we can always make time for things that we deem worthy. Trust me, your overall health and daily perspective are worth it. Set up yourself for success. Share me your valuable thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do not forget to subscribe to it to get more updates on more interesting videos. We'll meet you back again. Take care, bye-bye.